Hello everyone, Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty, bringing you another beautiful new construction home tour. For today's home tour, I'm going to be taking you through a beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,866 square foot pool home located right here in beautiful Southwest Cape Coral. I'm going to bring you guys through and walk and talk, so let's get to it. It's a big house. Come on in. We're going to go over to the left real quick. This is bedroom number 1. It's on the smaller side. I would more do this one as a den personally, but that's just me. And then coming over here, we have second bedroom. So right when you come into the foyer, you've got a smaller bedroom on your left and a little bit larger on the right. And it's going to take you into guest bathroom number 1. And if you pan around here, you can see nice big living area. If you've seen any of my videos, you know I'm a big fan of the electric outlet in the floor. This way you're not running cords every which way. If you have a need for a lamp here, even though they do have quite a bit of overhead lighting, that shouldn't be a problem. To bring it into the very large kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space. You've got 42-inch cabinets. Large quartz countertop here on the island. Nice flat top stove. And then also open up the pantry for you where you can store all of your healthy snacks. No junk food, no sugary cereals. Keep it healthy, guys. Nice Listello backsplash. You've got a hood here versus a microwave. They decided to put that microwave and oven over here, and then stainless steel dishwasher. But as you can see, high ceilings, plenty of room for entertaining, and where you're looking over here in a second is going to be your dining area. So I'm going to take you guys over to the primary bedroom. Then we're going to actually head upstairs. There's a second story to this, which is like a loft setup. So got your large walk-in closet over here. And then we'll pan around and give you a shot of the primary bedroom. Very good size, looks out over the pool. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know I'm a big fan of the rain shower. A lot of houses are starting to do them. Some new construction homes that have very large showers aren't, which I don't know why you wouldn't put that in. To me, that's awesome. Every shower should have the rain shower. You saw the tub already, and then you have the water closet there. And as I mentioned on a previous home tour video, saw somebody on TikTok saying they don't know why it's such a big deal to have dual sinks. Clearly that person is single. Obviously, if you're married in a relationship, you know that these are awesome and you definitely need them because you and your partner in the morning aren't going to have to jockey for space. There's one for you and one for them. So let's go on through, give you another pan of the living area, kitchen, and the front of the property. Here's where you could theoretically hang your TV if you wanted to. You could go ahead and do some sort of decorative, not bench, but table or TV stand. But most people nowadays are mounting to the wall. I'm going to take you into the 2-car garage. As you can see, non-slick floor here. They've done the epoxy with the speckle, and they've got a little extra space over here. So not a 3-car, only a 2, but plenty of space for you here. Good amount of storage. Hurricane rated garage door as well. And a little bit higher ceiling in here, like most of the house. Come on in, we'll close the door. We don't want to lose any of that air conditioning. Before we go upstairs, sorry, it's a long way up. We've got the inside laundry here as well. As you've noticed, or you may have noticed, there isn't any tile in the bedrooms. Those are carpet, but this laundry area and the other main areas do have tile. So we're gonna run upstairs, do some cardio. Hopefully I don't lose my breath halfway up. Now this is a cool part of this property or this home. You have an upstairs, I'm going to call it a loft or extra living area. So you can turn this into game room if you have children or a larger family. You could have this as the play area, but if you have children, you're pretty much aware that when you have a designated play area, the kids tend not to listen. You're going to find toys everywhere anyway. But it's a good thought, having this as a loft, TV area, man cave. Definitely a lot of different uses you could come up with for this area here. We're going to wind around, bring you into upstairs bedroom. So along with that loft, you have a bedroom area. You could use that for guests if you like. And you're going to have another bedroom with the final bathroom upstairs. So just a quick recap, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, just under 3,000 square feet, and we are going to head on down to the pool area. While we have a few seconds, since I'm not going to do much editing to this video, if you enjoy my content, please feel free to like and subscribe. This way my kids know that people actually do like the channel and they do like the home tours and the informational videos that we've been putting out. Watch your step. And what we're going to do now is give you a tour of the pool area. I don't know if that sensor is on. Oh, it's not. Okay. Those are very, very loud. So here we are in the pool area. Plenty of space under the lanai, the truss here. And as you see, sun shelf, plenty of area to lounge around, put a lot of patio furniture here, do a grill. Also want to point out the stucco up top here. If you notice, one of the last home tours I did, they had wood here. This particular builder does the stucco. What you'll find on some houses that don't do the wood or the stucco, that it's just regular drywall. And over time, the tape that they use for the drywall, because of the humidity from outside and in the attic, will eventually come loose and flake. So this is a nice way to avoid that. They go ahead and they stucco it, or they do a wood finish. So you never have to do what I do every 10 years or so, go out and retape and refinish and paint your lanai area. So very, very nice to have that. You don't have to worry. So give him one more shot of the pool area and we'll close it out for him. All right, well, wanted to thank you guys for checking out today's beautiful new construction home tour. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties in Southwest Florida, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. I'll put all of my information in the description box below, and I will also put the specs and the pricing for this particular home in there as well. I want to thank you again for checking out today's video. I'm Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty, and I will see you on the next one.